Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Farizame bin Johar. For my part, I'm gonna talk about the introduction of our group's project, which is the centrifugal dense medium separator. Without further ado, let us discuss about the dense medium separator. Dense medium separator works based on the dense medium separation process, where dense medium or heavy media is used to float the less dense particles and sink the low dense particle through specific vessels. There are two types of dense medium separator, which are gravitational and centrifugal. Let us look at the gravitational first. The gravitational units of dense medium separator use specific gravity to concentrate valuable minerals. As the process going on, the less dense minerals will float to the top of the liquid level and removed by overflow. Lastly, concentrate will sink vary depending on the types of separating vessels. Meanwhile, the centrifugal units of dense medium separator utilize high speed and tangential pumping to create a vortex within the vessels. In this process, minerals with higher density than the medium will be pulled to the outer edge of the vortex. At the end, center vortex will generate suction that extract the less dense particle. For our assignment project, we decided to do modification on centrifugal dense medium separator by adding spiral at the inlet of the concentrator. We believe that spiral can help the existing unit because the inclined surface of spiral can help the particle to flow down easily.
Hi, my name is Aini Srina binti Zamhariru 144857. I'm going to talk about the discussion of our machine.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nora binti Rosli and I'm going to talk about the principle of centrifugal dense medium separator. Centrifugal dense medium separator is basically a dense medium separator with an addition of centrifugal force, and our group has modified it with a spiral. This spiral will enhance the machine to work more efficiently. So let's take a look at the principle of centrifugal dense medium separator. First one, this centrifugal dense medium separator works based on gravity separation, where it uses specific gravity to separate the mineral particles. The mineral particles will be subjected to high specific gravity and low specific gravity. The minerals with high specific gravity will be the underflow, while the minerals with low specific gravity will be the overflow. Okay, the first one is gravity separation. This centrifugal dense medium separator works based on gravity separation, where it uses specific gravity to separate the mineral particles. The mineral particles will be subjected to high specific gravity and low specific gravity. The particles with higher specific gravity will be the underflow, and the particles with lower specific gravity will be the overflow. The next one is buoyancy force. This centrifugal dense medium separator also works based on buoyancy force, where it involves sink and float process. The mineral with higher specific gravity will have higher density, right? So it will sink and become the sink particles, while the mineral with lower specific gravity and have lower density will float and become the float particles. As you can see in the figure here, the minerals which have higher specific gravity than the medium will be the sink particle, and the minerals with lower specific gravity than the specific gravity of the medium will be the float particle. This centrifugal dense medium separator also uses centrifugal force. As we know, the centrifugal dense medium separator is preferable for finer particles. However, these finer particles tend to have slower settling rate. In order to overcome this problem, the centrifugal force will be added to accelerate the settling rate by speeding up the rotating of the fluid and the medium in the system. Our group also applies spiral in this vessel, in this dense medium separator, to increase the centrifugal forces. This spiral will create a high pressure at the wall of vortex and low pressure at the center of the vortex. At the center of the vortex, it will generate a suction that extracts the less dense particles or the float particles to the bottom. So the sink particles or the mineral with the higher density mineral will be transported away from the axis and up into the sink header, while the float particles travel down the vessel and is collected at the bottom. This pressure difference allows lighter material to travel down the vessel and being drawn out. So this is how the principle of the centrifugal dense medium separator works.
Okay. We want to introduce our design, which is centrifugal dense medium separator. Okay. Then centrifugal dense medium separator has gained interest as an effective and successfully pre-concentration technology that applies multi-stages, which is in this design we have two stages to improve result for separating near density materials. Okay, for the major component, we have a feed flash materials, sink header, which is sink product, and sink product one, and sink middling product. And the second is a float product. And the fourth is spiral. We insert the spiral inside the vortex, and the last is dense media pumper, which is we pump the media inside the stages or cylinder. Uh, for the angle for the angle of the machine, we can adjust for concentrate the float or the sink. We can see that the spiral inside the vortex. Okay, the next part is advantage of the design. The main advantage in using multi-stage separator is ability to produce multi-sync product and being able to fix the density cut point of each individual stage. All state contain minerals be small density difference can therefore be accurately separated in single unit. They essentially reduce the need for multiple circuit to a single unit. Alternatively, the device can be operated with both stage having matching separation density. In this case, uh, the two stages can be considered as a cleaner or scavenger system producing a higher grade product. Another significant advantage is reduction of unit operating cost. Unlike dense medium cyclone, the feed and the media are completely separate before being introduced into the multi-stage vessel. This offers the distinct advantage of having the option to dry feed the ore by gravity without having a pump both the ore and the media. Pump life and performance is improved and the pump size is significantly reduced. Centrifugal dense medium separator also provide more reliable and steady operating condition. Fluctuation in the ore are not always considered for pre-concentration compared to the cyclone, which is limited by the crowding effect in the apex. The multi-stage of multi-stage separation in the quantum unit provide larger sink product capacity. The last is low space requirement because of the design is pretty small, not really small, but we can install and using a small portion inside the plant.